Alright, spa pros, let's talk about something that's absolutely non-negotiable in our world. Keeping those spa tools sparkling clean and totally sanitized. I get it, cleaning isn't glamorous, but it's the backbone of client trust and safety. And honestly, it's a mark of true professionalism. First things first, let's talk about what you're cleaning. We've got metal tools like cuticle pushers, tweezers, nail clippers, and then your more porous tools. Think files, buffers, and pumice stones. Each one needs a slightly different approach, so stick with me. Step 1 is always wear gloves. I can't stress this enough. Protect your hands from harsh chemicals and any lingering nasties on the tools. Now, before you sanitize, you want to clean. That means removing all visible debris, hair, skin, product residue. I like to use a stiff brush, warm water, and some mild soap for this stage. Get every crevice. Now, onto the real sanitizing. For metal tools, immerse them fully in an EPA-registered disinfectant, something that's hospital grade. Read the label. Let those tools soak for the full recommended time. Don't rush it. Then, rinse thoroughly with clean water and dry with a lint-free towel. Moisture? Not your friend. It's a breeding ground for bacteria. For your porous tools, nail files, buffers, even wooden sticks, here's the tough truth. Most aren't meant to be reused. Single use only, folks. Toss them after every client. If you must reuse, make sure the manufacturer says it's safe, and follow their cleaning instructions to the letter. Don't forget about your work surfaces and storage. Wipe down counters, trays, and tool containers with disinfectant at the start and end of every single day. If your tools are going into sealed pouches for storage, make sure they're completely dry first. Otherwise, you're inviting mold and mildew to the party. And let's talk about habits. Consistency is key. Set a schedule. Make it part of your daily routine. And don't be shy about letting clients see your process. It shows you care about their health and safety, and trust me, it builds loyalty. So, to recap, gloves on, clean first, disinfect with intention, and always toss single-use items. At the end of the day, a spotless workspace isn't just about compliance. It's about integrity and caring for the people who trust you. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and let me know your go-to cleaning tip in the comments. Stay safe, stay sanitized, and keep those spa vibes glowing.